This tutorial review will show you how to add vignette in Photoshop. Import the photo. Click on this icon, gradient. Click on gradient. Select black and white. OK. Click on style. Select radial. Take this reverse option. Click on the scale. Increase it according to your requirements. Then click on OK. Make sure to select this layer. Click on normal and select multiply. Here we can see before and after result. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.